Hello everyone and welcome to our demo of GIGA Pro, our new and upgraded trading app. In this video, we will learn how to use the new GIGA Pro app. For now, the topics to be covered in this video are: first and foremost, we will teach you how to log in to the GIGA Pro app. Then we will cover watch list and the various filters available in them. Following this, we will cover adding and withdrawing funds from your trading account. Next, we will cover placing orders in our new GIGA Pro app, followed by checking order status of the orders placed by you. Then we will go on to checking out the dashboard and the other new features which have been introduced in this app. And finally, we will teach you how to log out and contact customer support in case you face any issues while trading with our new GIGA Pro app. Now let us toggle and move on to the mobile screen where I'll show you how to use the new GIGA Pro app. So this is the login screen which you will be greeted with once you open the GIGA Pro app. As you can see, I have already logged in using a client code previously. Suppose you would like to switch your account, just click on the switch account button and enter the user ID which you would like to trade with. In my case, I will re-enter G1BP351 and proceed to click on login. Now enter your password which you had set previously and click on proceed. Now you'll receive a 5-digit OTP. Just copy the OTP and paste it here and click on proceed. Now, as per exchange norms, we have been advised to make 2FA security or two-factor authentication security mandatory. So please click on enable now, draw your pattern, read the risk disclosure document in case you're unaware of it, and click on proceed. Now this is the screen which you will be greeted with once you log in. As you can see, Sensex has been mentioned here. In this particular market watch, all these scripts under Sensex have been added here. So you can see which stocks under Sensex have been trading higher or lower. Suppose you would also like to add Nifty to this, just click on this filter menu and turn on the Nifty stocks. Click on apply, and as you can see, Sensex has now been replaced with the Nifty 50 stocks. In case you would like to set your own market watch, click on MW list 1. Here you can add new instruments by clicking on add new. Search the scripts which you would like to add. For example, in this case, I would search for, say, Tata Motors. Click on the plus button and it will get added to your watch list. Just go back and you'll see Tata Motors has been added. Now, if you would like to add another script, what you need to do is just go to the search icon here, type the script which you would like to add, say SBIN, click on the plus button and it will get added to your watch list. You can also change the name of the watch list by long pressing on the watch list name and then editing the name to say test. Save, and you can see the name of the watch list has been saved as test. Suppose you would like to delete scripts, just once again long press on it and you can delete any one of the scripts. Let's save and go back. Now this is the filter option. Let us look at it in depth. Here, as you can see, the watch list can be customized as a basic watch list, or you can also choose to see the depth, which will show you the best buy and the best sell price currently offered for that particular symbol. You can also select all, which will show you everything about the script. For example, in case you have a holding, it will show you how many shares you hold in that particular script. It will also show you the best buy and the best sell price available. You can also change the watch list to a grid view and apply. As you can see, it has been changed to a grid view. Now go back to filters, turn on just basic, go back to list view and apply. And as you can notice, since I hold one share of IDFC First Bank, you can see here that it shows I hold one share of IDFC First Bank in NSE in this particular menu. Now let's see, let's add a script from BSE and check it out. Say Tata Motors BSE plus, let's go back, Tata Motors from BSE has been added. Now suppose you would like to filter stocks by exchange, just go down, click on either NSE, Holdings or BSE. Suppose I would like to view my holdings, click on Holdings, apply, and you'll see only the stocks which you hold in your Demat account will be visible in this particular watch list. Go back to filters, remove the holdings filter, apply, and you can see all the stocks which you had added previously to the test watch list. Let us check how you go about adding and withdrawing funds. Simply click on the profile button which mentions your client code here. Once it opens up, you can click on the funds menu and you can click on deposit to add funds and withdraw to take a payout. Once you click on deposit, you will be redirected to our smart page page where you will be prompted to input the amount which you would like to add, the method, and then proceed to payment. Suppose you would like to use net banking, simply enter the amount here and click on proceed to payment. Suppose you would like to add via UPI, just click on UPI, add the amount and proceed to payment. As simple as that. Now let's go back. Suppose you would like to withdraw funds, click on the withdraw button and you will be redirected to this particular page. The maximum payout amount is mentioned up here. Let's go back. Now let us look at how you go about placing orders. Go to your watch list. Suppose you would like to buy SBIN 1 share. Click on SBIN. It will open the order window where you can choose to either buy or sell the script. Market depth is available here. If you click on more details, it will show you the detailed value of today's open, high, low and close, market depth, volume traded, average traded price and a lot more. Technicals can be viewed here. Other information can also be viewed here. Suppose I would like to buy 1 share of SBIN, just click on buy and you will be able to see the margin required down here to buy 1 share of SBIN. Since I do not have any available margin, my order will obviously get rejected. Suppose you want to buy at the current market price, simply select the market order type and click on buy order. The order, as you can see, has been placed successfully. Where do you check the order status? Simply go back and click on the orders option available here. As you can see, the executed order window will show you that my SBIN order has been rejected due to shortfall of funds. All pending orders can be viewed here in the pending order window, executed orders in the executed order window, and the trade book can be viewed by clicking on trade book. Basket orders can also be placed by clicking on basket. You can add a new basket by clicking on the plus new basket button. You can create a new basket, say basket 1, click on create and just open the basket and you can go about adding scripts. Say Nifty call option 22,000 15 September. Just add it and now you will be prompted to either add as a buy option or a sell option. I would like to add as a buy. Whether you would like it as a limit order or a market order, I would like to place it as a limit order, as say one of price of 160 and click on the buy order. As you can see, it has been added to your basket. Suppose you would like to add another script, say Nifty PE 22,000 plus add buy order. Now you have successfully created a basket including 2 scripts. If you swipe the execute button, both these orders will get executed. Go back to the executed order window and you will see that both these orders have been rejected. The reason will obviously be margin shortfall. Now the next topic which we will cover is checking out the dashboard and the various features. Now this is something new which we have added to our GIGA Pro app. Suppose you would like to check the option change, what you would need to do is just click on the option change menu. Now the script for which you would like to check the option change can be modified here by clicking on this. Suppose you would like to check the option chain of Nifty, just click on Nifty and it will get changed here. Change the expiry to 15th February and go back, the option chain will get updated. Here you can select the number of strikes which you would like to view. Suppose you would like to view 15 strikes from the at the money position. Just select 15 and go back. You can see 15 strikes will now be available. Even executing strategies from this particular window is possible. Suppose you would like to create a basket order from this particular window, just click on the basket option here and click on the options which you would like to sell. Suppose I would like to sell 22,000 call. Now go here, click on the B, it will get toggled to sell. And I would also like to sell a 22,000 put. It has been added. Now click on the B button and it will get toggled to sell. Suppose I would like to buy both options instead of selling both, just click on S again, it will convert to B, and this one also it will convert to B. The required margin will be available at the bottom here. If you would like to save this basket, just click on save and it will create a new basket. Now let's go back to our order menu. You will see there are now 2 baskets available. Go back to dashboard. Suppose you would like to set alerts, click on the alert button, click on the new alert button, the alert name, say put it as test, what property you would like to choose, the script for which you would like to place the alert, say IDFC first, and now you set the conditions for the alert. Suppose you want to get an alert if the price is greater than or equal to say 100 rupees. Just set these values and create. Now an alert has been created. Suppose you would like to delete the alert, just long press on it and delete. Let's go back. Now suppose you would like to check the various stocks of various sectors. Click on sectors, choose the metal sector. It will show me the stocks which are under metals index of NSE. Here as well options are available to select the exchange from which you would like to see the scripts for. You can also sort them alphabetically by last traded price or by change percentage. In this dashboard, as you can see, you can also view your funds available, your holdings, the net profit and loss of your holdings, various positions which you have held in both derivatives as well as cash segment, your pending and executed orders as well as your trade book. You can also choose to apply for IPOs, pledge shares as well as choose to go for re-KYC from the dashboard itself. Now let us move to charting. Suppose you would like to see the chart of a particular stock, just add it to your watch list. Say I would like to check the chart of IDFC First Bank. Just click on this and click on the view chart option. It will open up the chart for you. Suppose you would like to rotate the chart for a better view, just click on the rotate option and it will show you a horizontal view of the chart. You can also place orders directly from the chart itself by clicking on the buy or the sell button available on top. You can change the time duration of the candlesticks. Let's select 15 minutes and it will get refreshed. You can change the chart type and also you can add various indicators from here. Simply speaking, all the features that are available in a trading view chart are also available in our Goodwill charts. Let's go back to dashboard. Suppose you would like to use a screener. This is where you click on the screener and you can find out the top gainers for today, the top losers for today, stocks which are near 52 weeks high and low, and so on and so forth. Let's go back. Suppose you would like to check your portfolio, click on the portfolio option and you will be able to see your holdings. Suppose you would like to see your positions, just swipe to the right or click on the positions menu and you will be able to see the positions. Do check out the Stilt function which has been newly integrated into our app. This is an awesome new options analysis tool which we are providing for free to our Goodwill clients. To log out, simply go to your profile. Personal details can be viewed from a profile, the bank account which you have added. You can also change password, change appearance from light to dark, fix headers, as well as contact support from this particular menu. Now let us go a bit in depth into the fixed header option. If you turn it on, what you will see is two of these scripts, Nifty 50 and Nifty Bank, are available on top. You can go to watch list. Suppose instead of Nifty Bank, I would like to view the price of SBIN. What you do is just click on SBIN, scroll down to the bottom and click on Spot 2. Since Bank Nifty occupied Spot 2, now it has been replaced by SBIN. Close it and you will be able to see the SBIN script on top in every single page. This is very useful for traders who are looking to follow a particular script in which they have a position currently while also scrolling through the app. With this, I think we have covered pretty much everything about the app. To log out, simply go to your profile menu, scroll down and click on logout. Click on yes and we are back to our login window. Suppose you have any further queries regarding our GIGA Pro app, please feel free to get in touch with our customer support team by emailing us at customersupport@gwcindia.in or WhatsApp us at 73388954991 or call us at 04440329999. Thanks a lot for watching this video. Hope you like our new GIGA Pro app and happy trading.